pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. If you're returning, y'all already know me. I love to look at ingredients in products sometimes, and as well as do my other videos. But we have a concern that I want to make sure that all of you are aware of. The jet lag mask that was in, I haven't gotten my Boxy Premium yet, so I don't know if I'm going to be getting this item. But anyhow, this mask that sold out at Sephora, that sold out at summerfridays.com, and that was in the Boxycharm Premium for January 2021 has basically a recall on it. I received an email from Boxycharm, and that's what started me investigating in this. The email simply stated that some people were experiencing irritation, and they were from this product, redness, irritation. They said that cooling was normal, but if you were experiencing a reaction to it, to stop using it. Now, it also said they were acting with abundance of caution, that not every single one of these products had a problem with it, but they are reformulating this without the essential oils. I'm guessing they feel that that is the problem. So this mask comes in several different sizes. It's, like I said, it's on the Summer Fridays website. It's at Sephora. It's been sold out, and you've probably received it in your Boxycharm 2021 Premium. So if you have this product, they're telling you that you should test it before you use it, either on your jawline or behind your ear, a patch test to see if you have a reaction to it. It says cooling, when applied, is normal, but any type of redness or irritation, discontinue use and to get in touch with the company. Now, if you got it in your Boxycharm Premium, you would be emailing Boxycharm, okay, and they'll come up with some type of resolution for this. The email that I received did not say what they would do if you reached out to them because you had an irritation from this product. Now, the Summer Fridays website, if you purchased it from them, you would have to email them with the product code, and they'll give you a return label, and they will credit whatever card you use to purchase this product. Now, it's also available at Sephora and sold out, so you would have to go through Sephora's customer service to get a return label to get your money back from that item. I don't see it being sold anywhere else except for Mercari, so please be careful with that. eBay, I never buy stuff like this off of eBay, but be mindful that there are products out there. They've already had people experience bad reactions to some of the ingredients in this product. This is all the information they're letting us know right now. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I will try to do my best to answer them. I have read all the emails, read exactly what the Summer Fridays website said, which they said exactly what the Boxycharm email had said. Except Boxycharm's email did not offer a resolution. You have to get in contact with them. Summer Fridays went ahead and said, this is the lot number, this is what we would need in order to do a refund. And again, if you have purchased it from Sephora, then you're going to need to contact their support to see how you're going to be able to get a refund. But I do know that Summer Fridays website wants the lot number on it, a picture of it when you email them, and what problem you have had with this product. Now, has anyone used this product and experienced an issue? That's what I want to know right now. That's what the rest of the beauty community wants to know. So please put that in the comments below and where you got it. If we can narrow down the batch that's causing this, it might be the ones that are just in Boxycharm, it might be the ones that were off of the Sephora website as well. Then we will have a better way to know if the one that we have is going to produce issues, if you even want to take that chance. Chances are that if I get that product in premium, I'm going to be emailing Boxycharm saying I don't feel comfortable even doing a patch test with this. That's just my personal preference. I would like to send it back or get charms or however they want to offer a resolution. Like I said, haven't gotten my premium yet, so I haven't been able to figure out what resolution they would be offering for this. So if you've had and you've heard about this already, can you please put that in the comments below too? I would love to know your experience. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and to hear what I have to say about this. I just really wanted to get this out there for you guys, because the last thing we want to do is put a product all over our face and thinking it's safe and having a reaction to it. We don't want to do that. I'm hoping we can avoid that by putting up this video. All right, guys, I love you so very much. I will talk to you real soon in another video. Bye.